Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today, obviously, it's another unboxing video here. This is the Wise Hitman, which I guess you'll already know looking at the video title. But anyway, let's get this thing. Yeah, let's just do it on camera, I guess. Kind of know what this watch looks like, and actually I have in right now another Random Rob tour watch, the Wise Diving watch, or Wise Diving I think is what it's called. So after we get this one out of the box and do the presentation of this one, we'll do a comparison video between the two of these, just so I happen to have them both in at the same time. It's kind of the way it works with these tour watches for me. It's either feast or famine. I'll go for weeks without getting one, and then all of a sudden I have 4 or 5 of them in at the same time. So that's why it came in a big box, because this itself is a big box. The other one I got in did not have a box with it. So cardboard outer box, outer box. Looks like there's some manual and other information in here. Spring bar, no, screwdriver, I guess. So it's nice packaging. Not sure how that was supposed to go, but anyway. So yeah, this is still warm as well. We just retrieved it from the mailbox. All right, let's zoom in on this. The watch reminds me of something. I don't know what it is at the moment. Kind of looks maybe like an Oris, perhaps. The bezel is different, though. Interesting kind of knurling. It's got a knurling, but then it's got a groove cut through it here. I'm not sure why that groove is in there. Ceramic bezel insert, flat sapphire crystal. Nice size crown here. It looks fairly thin, so perhaps Miyota movement. So the company is based out of Thailand. I'm not sure if the watches are made in Thailand or not. I'll look all that information up and we'll talk about it in the full presentation. It's a nice looking watch. This is the Wise Hitman. I already did mention that, sorry. It's a pretty smooth sweep to the second hand as well. This would be your date set position. There will be in hacking and time set. I might have changed the date in the danger zone. I can never remember that. That's why I like no date movements. Well, not really, but I prefer the look of a watch without a date on it. And then I don't wear the same watch every day, so it's a little bit easier to set the date. Not set the date. Well, yeah, setting the date you don't have to, but also setting the time. You just doesn't matter if you're in AM or PM. It reads the same, obviously. But anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. Yeah, this is a nice looking watch. Brushed, mostly brushed. Does have some polished bevels on it, on the clasp and on the case. I might be moving this around a little bit too quickly for the camera. Anyway, let's look at the case back. I'll get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. I'm trying to read the case back here. Oh, let's zoom in, maybe that'll help. Sapphire crystal, stainless steel. Automatic movement, okay. I knew that. Super Luminova, so we'll look forward to the Lume and the full presentation. This Thailand watch. And oh, still in the same spot. Water resistant, 200 meters. So anyway, let's get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. So there we go. Looks like I have to take a couple links out from the previous tour member. Must have a little bit larger wrist than I do. Maybe a tad bit big, or maybe just about right for my wrist. Probably wouldn't want to go much bigger than this, that's for sure. Then let me zoom out here. Oh, also, I wanted to mention the female end links, which I do appreciate. Definitely wears better on wrist that way. Unfortunately, each link does not articulate, so this is a these 3 links here are fixed together. It would be nice if that center link could articulate as well. Here we are, zoomed out for a little bit different perspective. Yeah, I guess the size is okay, but definitely would not want to go bigger than this. So anyway, that will conclude today's video. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. Like the video, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.